In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, Thieve and BigSpy. Now, if you're running any type of e-commerce business, whether it's dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or anything else, then you know that using the right tools to help you find the best products to sell and being able to learn from your competitors can be a complete game changer for your business. At the same time, picking the wrong tool is a great way to waste a lot of money and also a lot of time. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision, because I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools one at a time, including product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription, automation features, and much more. Now, for your convenience, I've included the links to both of these guys in the description below so you can check them out. And now let's get started. Thieve stands out with its visually driven product discovery interface, which is particularly appealing for users who prioritize aesthetic and trending products. The platform primarily focuses on products with high potential for social media appeal and consumer interest, showcasing them through high quality images and user ratings. However, it does lack some of the deeper filtering options that you get with other tools. Instead, focuses on simplicity and visual appeal. What about the market analysis? Well, market analysis in Thieve is somewhat limited compared to more analytical tools. It provides basic information on popularity and trends through user engagement and likes on the platform. This approach is useful for quickly gauging customer interest, but it does not offer deep dive data like competitive analysis or detailed sales projections. What about integration with other platforms? Well, Thieve offers straightforward integration with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products they identify on the platform. However, its integration features are not as extensive or versatile as some other tools that also support WooCommerce and other e-commerce platforms. What about supplier database? Well, Thieve does not provide a dedicated supplier database or detailed supplier information because that's not its focus. It focuses primarily on product discovery from AliExpress. Users looking for an in-depth supplier vetting and relationship might not like this aspect of Thieve, but let's talk about their pricing and profitability tools. The platform includes basic tools to estimate your potential profit in your business. However, these tools aren't quite as robust or detailed as some of the more comprehensive dropshipping tools, which I've talked about on this channel in other videos, where users can adjust various costs and logistics considerations and help decide which product is better for them. As far as user interface and ease of use goes, Thieve excels in its user interface, which is clean, modern, and exceptionally user-friendly. The emphasis on visual presentation makes it really easy and enjoyable for new users to browse and select products based on visual appeal and market trends. Now, one of the most important things is customer support and community. Customer support is available through email. It might not be as immediate as platforms offering live chat support. Thieve has a growing community on social media, and it fosters a network of people who share tips and product success. So if you want to be part of a good community of people that are willing to share information with you, Thieve is a great one. Now, what about their pricing structure? Well, Thieve operates on a subscription basis with different tiers that cater to different needs depending on your user engagement. Now, they do have a free version that you can actually sign up and try out using the link in the description. But after that, they do have a pro plan that currently costs $49 a month. And so you can actually try that out for free right now using the link in the description. What about automation features? Well, automation features in Thieve are minimal, with the main focus being on product discovery rather than the full spectrum of dropshipping operations like automated order processing or inventory management. Now let's talk about their analytics and reporting. Thieve provides minimal analytics and reporting features. It focuses more on curation and presentation of products rather than the detailed business intelligence. Now, if you're interested in using Thieve on your phone, unfortunately they don't have a mobile app at this moment, but that might change in the future. As far as customer reviews and feedback, user feedback for Thieve is generally positive, particularly for its ease of use interface and appealing product selection, but some users do express that they'd like like to have more comprehensive features like enhanced market analysis and better integration options. Overall, Thieve is a solid option for dropshippers who prioritize a visually appealing, easy to use platform for discovering trending products on AliExpress. While it offers excellent product curation, it may not satisfy people looking for detailed analytics or extensive e-commerce platform integration. Its appeal lies in its simplicity and focus on visual discovery, making it ideal for new people that are trying dropshipping. If you're a new beginner, if you want to start a dropshipping business, then Thieve would really be a great tool that you can use to get you started. BigSpy doesn't really focus directly on the product discovery in the traditional sense, but it excels in uncovering successful advertising campaigns for various products. This indirect approach allows users to identify trending products based on their advertising performance and giving insights into what is currently capturing the market's attention and driving sales. Now, what about market analysis? So BigSpy provides extensive market analysis capabilities, particularly in the realm of advertising. Users can view detailed analytics on ad performance, including engagement rates, reach, and demographic information. This allows for a deep understanding of market trends and consumer behavior, which is essential for crafting compelling advertising strategies. Let's talk about the integration with other platforms for BigSpy. While BigSpy itself does not integrate directly with e-commerce platforms for product listing or management, it's really invaluable for understanding the advertising landscape on platforms where dropshipping products are marketed, like Facebook, Instagram, Google, and much more. What about the supplier database? So BigSpy does not include a supplier database as it's primarily focused on advertising data rather than direct dropshipping logistics. BigSpy boasts a user-friendly interface that's pretty easy to navigate. They've got lots of different filters you can use to help find different types of ads that you're looking for. The dashboard is well organized. That makes it simple for users if you want to access various features and if you want to filter, do more advanced filtering for advertisements. Customer support and community. BigSpy offers reliable customer support with options to contact them via email as well as live chat. Additionally, there's an active community of users, and BigSpy often hosts webinars and they post tutorials that are really helpful for both new and experienced users. Now let's talk about the pricing structure. So BigSpy offers several pricing tiers, including a basic version going all the way up to VIP. So basic starts from $9 a month and VIP goes up to over $3,600 a year. And they also have the group as well as the pro. Pro is their one of the most popular plans, and you can actually try it for just $1 using the link in the description. If you decide to pay yearly, then you can save between 10 to 30%, which is a significant amount. And you can see everything that's included in each of the pricing plans. Now let's talk about the automation features. So BigSpy doesn't include automation features that are related to dropshipping operations, but it can automate tracking different types of ads across different platforms, and that's really beneficial if you want to keep up to date with the kind of advertising that your competitors are doing. Let's talk about analytics and reporting. BigSpy excels in analytics and reporting with detailed breakdowns of ad performance metrics. So this comprehensive data is crucial for understanding which types of ads are most effective and why. Now, is BigSpy available on your mobile? Well, currently they don't offer a mobile app, which can be a limitation for some users who want mobile access for their research and monitoring activities. So you would have to do it on like your laptop or your computer if you want to use BigSpy. So what about the reviews and user feedback? Well, feedback for BigSpy is generally very positive, especially its ability to provide in-depth advertising insights. Users appreciate the breadth of data that's available and the ease of use with which you can analyze trends and competitor strategies. But, some users have complained that they'd like to have a mobile app support so they can do direct e-commerce integration and also just, view their analytics on their phone if they're not at their computer. BigSpy overall is a standout tool for anyone who wants to enhance their advertising strategies as a dropshipper. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.